Greetings, incredible LTDE 5302 students. This week, in Module Week 3, we will be focusing upon incorporating digital tools and resources to enhance student learning experiences. Let's begin by exploring the Module Week 3 learning resources. Within this module, you are going to become familiar with a variety of digital tools and resources that serve to enhance student learning experiences within instructional settings. This is a very exciting module because you will be responsible for exploring a variety of digital tools and resources before selecting one to even more fully explore. And then you're going to create a tutorial that will teach others about the uses and applications of your chosen digital tool or resource. So you're going to continue to compare and contrast various methodologies of instructional design. You're going to also evaluate the appropriate use of technologies as instructional tools and formulate strategies for creating student-centered, differentiated learning experiences through authentic assessment pieces, which we have already been focusing very heavily upon. There are a number of articles for you to explore this week, and I would especially encourage you to focus upon the ISTE Standards for educators. As you click this resource, you will see that this is a very insightful set of standards that can help educators focus upon specific goals to encourage today's students to become even stronger learners and leaders within both educational and professional environments. And so I would encourage you to focus there. This is an excellent set of standards that is internationally known, so something for you to explore. All right, now let's talk a bit about the discussion forum and assignment due this week. As you are beginning this week, you will first want to participate in this survey, which is not graded, but is going to assist as you are being placed into groups to complete a project within module in week 6. And so this will be one of the first things that you want to do. It's a very easy survey to complete, but I'll go ahead and show that to you now. So again, this is not graded, but you definitely will want to complete this as soon as possible because this will assist in placing everyone within the class within groups for the group project coming in week 6. All right, and so basically after entering your name, you're going to want to rank these various digital tools in accordance with your preferences for the collaborative digital tool for creation presentation assignment. And so basically you will want to move these in order of your preferences. So please go ahead and submit that this week. And then also this week, you will be creating a digital tools tutorial. So you have the opportunity to create a screencast that will demonstrate a digital tool and resource, as well as its uses and applications to classmates. And you will basically be sharing this tutorial within the discussion forum so that others can view it as well and learn from you, which is very exciting. We know as educators that one of the most powerful learning experiences for students, one of the most meaningful and memorable, is when opportunities occur for students to be able to teach other students a new concept or skill. Again, going back to something that you've heard me mention a number of times, reciprocal learning experiences. Reciprocal learning experiences are powerful, and so you will want to select a digital tool or resource that you intend to use within your unit plan. So again, this is an authentic assessment endeavor. You are not just selecting a tool that looks interesting to you, but not only should it look interesting and engaging, it should also be something that you're actually planning to incorporate within your future instructional endeavors. So let's view the details of this assignment. All right, so we have a set of instructions here. And we are going to look at these instructions together. So basically what you're going to do this week is to explore a variety of digital tools for creation within educational settings. And you're going to teach classmates about the features and applications of the digital tool of your choosing. So you have the opportunity to select any digital tool you would like, any digital tool that involves creation within learning settings, right? So it shouldn't just be a tool in which students are asked to consume information or a tool that students would use to consume information, but rather it should be something that students can use to actually create. So here we have a link to an extensive list of tools. You can choose a tool that is contained within this page if you would like, but you do not have to do that. Once you choose a tool from the list or a tool that you have found elsewhere, maybe it's a tool that you really enjoy using and have used on multiple occasions. That's completely fine. You'll want to then use Screencast-O-Matic, which is actually the tool I'm using now to record this screencast, to share an overview of the tool. And so within this sheet that contains instructions for the assignment, you will see that there are a number of links to Screencast-O-Matic help, right? So help for creating using Screencast-O-Matic. So you'll want to use that if you've not used Screencast-O-Matic before. And then you'll also finally want to post your video to YouTube so that it is easily accessible to others within the course. You'll want to be sure that you select public under visibility settings. It shouldn't just be a private video that is only accessible to some, but it should be a video that is accessible to every member of our course. And you also want to just be sure that you're not selecting one of the tools that you saw within this survey, because what's going to happen is later on down the road as a group, you're going to be highlighting one of these tools. So please don't select any of these tools for the tool that you overview. Now let's continue to review the instructions for this assignment. And so, of course, as mentioned previously, you will want to give an overview of the tool. So basically, you will want to tell classmates how the tool can be used. And you also, most importantly, will want to offer applications within educational settings. So basically, you will want to share with classmates various ways in which this tool can be applied to settings that involve student learning endeavors, allowing students to create new products. We've talked before about the importance of moving students from consumers of information to creators of new learning experiences. And this is a key component of authentic assessment. And so you will want to talk within this tutorial about how the tool you have chosen enables students to become creators of new learning experiences. Now, there's an awesome example that is included within this list of instructions, and I'm going to click on this example now so that you can very briefly view the YouTube video that was created by a previous student. You will want to view this video fully in order to see the ways in which she not only provides an excellent overview of the tool called Animoto, but she also talks about classroom applications.
This will be a tutorial on how to use Animoto. Animoto is a great tool that creates slideshow videos. Two reasons that this will be really great to use in a classroom is teachers can use this tool to introduce a new topic to their students. Our students can also use this tool to create projects such as research projects over a specific topic. I will demonstrate how to use.
All right, and so this video actually contains an in-depth demonstration of Animoto. One thing that I want to emphasize to you is that your videos do not need to be perfect. And so I don't want you to think that every word spoken must be said perfectly, that the video must not contain any errors. Part of creating a video that is authentic for others to learn from involves just being yourself. Of course, you want to be professional in nature. You want to speak in a professional way. But if you accidentally say or click on something that you didn't intend to click on, please don't feel that you need to completely delete the first video and record the second. I'm so guilty of recording videos 10, 15, 20 times before I feel that I've actually recorded the perfect video. And the fact of the matter is there is no such thing as a perfect video. So as long as you put your best foot forward and speak in a professional manner, as long as you demonstrate how to use the tool in a way that others can understand, and you talk about classroom applications, you will be just fine. Don't feel that it needs to be perfect. Now, once you've created your video in Screencast-O-Matic and uploaded to YouTube, you will actually want to simply submit the link to your YouTube video as your submission this week. And so here, you basically will paste your YouTube link into this text box and then click submit, and you'll be good to go. All right, the final step this week actually is not due this week, but next week. However, it's here because you are focusing upon the assessment endeavor for this week. So the digital tools tutorial is something that you are going to share with your classmates. You're going to share it through this discussion forum. However, I want you to notice that you are not actually required to share this until next week, because the fact of the matter is you need to complete the tutorial first. And so what you're going to do is share for your initial post your video tutorial with your classmates. So basically in your original thread, you're only needing to include the hyperlink to your video and a brief summary of why you selected the featured digital tool to showcase through this assignment. Now, as you're reviewing these videos, you will want to provide feedback to 2 of your colleagues. Specifically, you'll want to share about how you might use the tool that they demonstrated through their tutorials within your own teaching and learning endeavors. This is your opportunity to focus on real-life applications, thus making learning even more impactful. So the whole purpose of creating these videos is not only to learn about a new digital tool and to reflect upon applications to classroom settings, but you're also wanting to teach someone else, actually not just one other person, but your class, your entire class, about this new digital tool. And so that's why this discussion forum is going to basically provide a library of resources for you to view, for you to review, and for you to learn about new applications of digital tools and resources within classroom settings. So again, this is not due until after you've actually created the video. You're actually going to be engaging in this discussion forum within week 4, but it's here in week 3, so that as soon as you've created that video, you can go ahead and upload it to the discussion forum so that others in the class can use it. I cannot wait to see the incredible tutorials that you create over the course of the week. It's going to be a simply amazing learning experience as we once again engage in reciprocal learning endeavors. God bless you all. Have a great week.